Hello kids, how are you? I hope you all are fit and fine. Today we read our chapter and our chapter name is food production. Let's come and start our chapter. It's chapter number 10. All living things must need food. सभी को क्या चाहिए? Food. Food help us to grow. It gave us energy. It gave us energy us to perform various activities. We get food from plants and animals. Only green plants can produce their own food. Green plants जो होते हैं वो अपना food खुद से produce करते हैं. Most of the food is produced by farmers in their fields. क्या होता है? Fields में ही food produce किए जाते हैं. There are different kinds of farming and different kinds of farmers. अलग अलग तरह के farmers होते हैं, अलग अलग तरह की farming होती है. Now, agriculture in India. Early humans were hunts and food. पहले क्या करते थे? लोग मारते थे और खा जाते थे. When food was not easily available, they would move to other place. वो एक जगह से दूसरी जगह तक जाते रहते थे. Farming may have been changed discovery when they noticed that the seeds thrown away after eating this fruit grow into a new plants. कब फार्मिंग स्टार्ट हुई? जब उन्होंने कोई फ्रूट खा के उसका सीड फेंका और उसने देखा कि वो ग्रो कर रहा है. The bear similar fruits. Slowly man learned to grow elder plants such as barley and rice by sowing seeds, watering plants and looking after them. The forests were cleaned with sharp stone axes and for growing crops. Farming is one of the most important human activities that use natural resources such as soil, sunlight and water. Farming बहुत ही ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज़ है जो किससे होती है? सॉइल, मिट्टी से, सनलाइट, सूरज की रोशनी से और वाटर से. Farming led to change in the way of life of people. Plants need to a lot of care and protection from wild animals. So humans move from caves to hunt near the field. Since the fields were next to each other, people start living together. This was the beginning of villages. ये starting थी किसकी? गाँव की. As people grow more crops, they produce more food than they could eat. So they exchange the extra food for other things they need, such as tools and pots. Farmers grow different type of crops in different regions. Crops need different types of climate, soil, and amount of water to grow. क्रॉप्स जिस पर डिपेंड करती है? वहाँ के एटमॉस्फेयर पर, वाटर पर. तो अलग अलग जगह पर अलग अलग एटमॉस्फेयर होने की वजह से अलग अलग क्रॉप्स वहाँ पर होती है. नाउ मॉडर्न टूल्स ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर. There are so many modern tools to grow crops in fields. As human beings known to grow crops, they need different kinds of tools to implements. At first, they used only small implements such as spades, silos, and sticks to help them dig. खोदने के लिए, dig यानी खोदना. So until the crops. Slowly, they start using animals. फिर उन्होंने क्या किया? Animals का use करने लगे, like ox. Ox से वो digging करने लगे. Today, agriculture remains a main source for a large population. The most important implement of the farmer is the plough, which is the use to prepare the field before sowing seeds. The field before sowing seeds, a plug of the cutting blades used to loosen the soil in the field. The blade is fixed into a wooden frame. Blades जो होते हैं वो wooden frame में fix कर दिए जाते हैं. They can be plugged by the farmers himself or by oxen or tractors. The tractor is the machine used by farmers to cultivate hard plots of land. A tractor runs on diesel or petrol. Tractor diesel और petrol पर run करता है. In modern time, it has become a much more organized and well-planned occupation. Farmers use from effective tools and implements nobody. A farmer use a trowel to plant their seeds. Once the crops are ready, they have to be harvested. That is cut and removed from the fields. Farmer used a knife-like instruments called stickle, जिसे हम दराती कहते हैं वो. A combine harvesting is used in modern farming. It shortens the entire provide cutting of the wheat plants, cutting the stickles and spring grains. Now, Indian seasonal crops. Plants that are grown in a field are called crops. There are two main seasons for cultivating crops in India. These are Rabi season and Kharif season. Rabi crops are wheat, gums, and peas. They are shown in the month of November and December and are harvested between the months of April and June. Kharif crops are rice, maize, and bajra. They are in Kharif fasal, Kharif crop. They are shown in the months of April to July and harvest in October. Some short duration crops like sunflower, vegetables, and fruits are grown in between the above two crop seasons. These are called Zaid crops. Now, agriculture techniques or practices. Growing crops require a lot of practice and hard work. Agriculture क्या करते हैं? बहुत सारा hard work मांगता है. The first step to prepare the field so planting seeds. The soil is loosened and overturned with the plug to make it earthly and sustain of flowing seeds. After plugging, the next step, the leaving of the ground. It is done with the help of the wooden iron plant or a soil lever. It helps in irrigation the fields uniformly. Fertilizers and manure is added next to provide nutrition to the soil. अब फर्टिलाइजर स्प्रेड किया जाता है ताकि जो क्रॉप्स है उनको न्यूट्रिशंस मिले. Finally, when the land is ready, the farmers show the seeds. Showing is done to different methods. Manual or showing seeds. The manual showing seeds are spread by land by the farmers. It is also called broadcasting. Farmers also plant seed by making holes, which is the fingers. Second method, sowing to seeds, done by using a seed drill. The seed drill has a metallic tube having fingers. This tube is attached to the funnel, which is at the top of the seeds. It put in the funnel from where they move into the funnel of the machine. The seed drill in them attached to the plug. And as they move, the seeds from the fingers are shown the soil. A seed drill in condition. Once the plant begin to grow, the field are watered at regular interval according to the need of the crop. It is called irrigation the phase. Special care of crops is taken by the farmers for their growth. They remove weeds and springs pesticides from time to time. Crops need many nutrients like mature for food yet. When the crop is ready, it is harvesting by the farmer with the hand slick or the machines. जब ready हो जाती है तो फिर क्या होती है, crop को cut कर लिया जाता है. It is very important that after the harvesting and winning, the food grains should be stored properly. For that, they are filled in gummy bags, gully bags, and stored in generous in go down. Fruits and vegetables are stored in the cold storage. Later, the crops are sold to the wholesalers who then sell them the retailers and shopkeepers. सबसे पहले किसके पास आती है? Wholesalers के बाद फिर retailers के बाद में हम shopkeepers से buy करते हैं. From this, our chapter has been completed. I hope you all are understood and enjoying this chapter. It's enough for today. Thank you.